very happy Gudi Padwa today. So as we had always been announcing that we would be announcing our final list of candidates. Shadow Council had already announced candidates for Margao Municipal Council, and we had assured that we would be joining with other candidates in other social organizations of Margao to form a bigger panel, more number of candidates. So accordingly, today we are here to announce the panel under the banner of People's Choice, Citizen Choice Panel for Margao. And under this banner, 3 social organizations have come together, that is Shadow Council for Margao, Citizens for Solfeda, and Goa with Law. All the 3 organizations, you may be aware, have been contributing in their own form towards the city's welfare. Shadow Council has been raising all the issues which I don't have to explain as such. At the same time, Citizens for Solfeda has been persistently taking up the issue of Solfeda for last several years, you can say. And Goa with Law also has been part of the municipal affairs, wherein their members were also part of the solid waste management cell, and they had even taken up the issues of certain gadas which were obstructing. Plus, a citizen charter also was prepared by them. Then, so today, these organizations have come together with the sole purpose of providing an alternative to the existing panels that are presently in contesting the municipal elections. Earlier, during the last term, a similar alliance were formed. Similar people were part of the council. The Margaonkars had even given them overwhelming majority, but in spite of that, they could not deliver what was promised. They failed miserably. On the contrary, they have burdened the Margaonkars, the people of Margao, by huge types of taxes in various forms, and they have collected funds from the people of Margao. As you can describe it as an extortion also, if you consider the form of charges that were imposed on the people. But what did they do with all these funds? Only scams we could see throughout the 5 years. The first one we have seen how, in the guise of providing rooms to store dustbins, we found a room having AC, having vitrified tiles, false ceiling, kitchen platform, and through the municipal funds, this room was constructed. And in the records, it was seen as if a room to store dustbins was set up. Secondly, we have even seen how daily wage workers were engaged through contractors for door-to-door waste collection. And what happened there? A contractor was supposed to supply 45 workers, was supplying hardly 28 to 30 workers and billing the council for 45 workers. That is almost around 2 lakhs per month extra. We went around, we collected evidence, and finally we complained and exposed how these extra bills were billed, and the municipality was on the verge of paying. See, whatever issues we have taken much before the actual money went out of the municipal treasury, for a simple reason, because we know for sure that once the funds leave the treasury, it is very difficult to either get it back or punish the guilty. Might as well save the funds of the taxpayer. So this was our main motto, wherein we expose things at the right moment so that the public funds were not misutilized. a police complaint was also filed in that regard on that contractor. That tender also was terminated. But eventually what happened? That same contractor came back in the council with a much bigger offer. He was given a much bigger job. And till now, the milking of the municipal funds continues. Then we have seen the fake tenders. Almost 3 crores of tenders were issued or were invited in different wards, all the 25 wards, and wherein majority of these tenders were fake. In the sense, existing drains or existing roads were certain nalas which were existing were shown as if they had to be constructed. And this type of tenders were invited, wherein the Shadow Council, we surveyed all these locations, all the sites where these proposed works were tendered. We took video recordings and we filed complaints. It was lucky, we were fortunate, I should say, that Honorable Lok Ayukta took suo cognizance of this matter, and an inquiry was initiated. And subsequently, the Lok Ayukta ordered for a ACB inquiry by an officer not below the rank of DYSP. And the DYSP of ACB also inspected all the sites and found much more irregularities than what we had pointed out. If this had not to happen, if the Honorable Lok Ayukta had not to take suo cognizance, this would have never come to light. The bills also would have prepared as if the work was completed, and 3 crores would have gone. And worst of that is that they would have said that we are making false complaints. So we are thankful to the outgoing Lok Ayukta, Justice P.K. Mishra, for having saved such huge funds of the council, Margao Municipal Council. Then we saw the biomethanation. 2 years back, this same council took up the task of setting up 3 biomethanation plants in Margao for a cost of 2.39 crores each. They took a resolution, they even announced that they are going to set up these plants, and all the necessary approvals from the government were also sought. But finally, during the end of the term, this very council, who had earlier proposed 5 tons per day biomethanation plant, came up with another proposal of setting up of a similar capacity plant for a same term of 5 years, operation and maintenance. But this time, the cost was shown as 4.81 crores. The same plant, which was costing 2.39, rose up to 4.81. And this issue we took up in the interest of the citizens for a simple reason, because they were trying to set up 7 plants, 7 such plants. So with 2.52 crores extra on each plant, nearly around 17 crores was at stake, extra to be paid to God knows whom. So this also we exposed. We even wrote to the Chief Secretary, and finally it has not happened. Here we in fact have to appreciate the present Chief Officer, who now has already set the ball rolling to set up one machine of 5 tons per day biomethanation plant, costing 2.40 crores. 42, but not the 4.81 this thing, and it will be checked for its efficiency, and thereafter the other plants may be ordered, maybe work order may be given. But here we express our apprehension that if the Madgaon guards again bring the same people who are in charge last 5 years, we are sure that they will come up with some route to get this double priced biomethanation machines in Margao. Because I am shocked today to read in the Herald, in the newspaper, wherein the Margao MLA says that the Goa Waste Corporation is well equipped and they are supposed to set up the biomethanation project, but it is pending only because of code of conduct. I am shocked to read this, and the whole of Madgaon should note this, that with such players, with such representatives, the Sansura issue will never get solved. And why I am saying this? Because when we took up the biomethanation double priced issue, it was this very person who provided us the input that sampling plant was for 2.39 euros. This was the person who gave us all the information and was in fact appreciating us, saying that you all have taken up a good issue and see that it doesn't happen. And today they both ally. They both ally for the common cause, and the common cause is what? For their survival in Margaon. Madgaonkars should understand this. Such people are there who are more interested in their self-existence and not in the interest of solving issues which are pending for decades together. We are shocked. I have to specifically point out this because I just read, and how I came to know about this. Somebody who was connected with Goa Foundation when I was the chairperson. He happened to read that story, and he called me up. He said, what you said is correct. So I just went to see what exactly has come, and there I read this. So these are the type of people who are trying to control Margaon for decades together, but are in no way interested in solving the issues plaguing the council. The last issue, as the term got over, was the COVID fund. 8 lakhs was sanctioned to provide relief to the stranded people under the COVID management, and the 25 councillors took the entire 8 lakhs. That was about 32,000 per head per councillor, and they gave in writing saying that they procured dry ration, cooked food and served the people of Margaon in their respective wards. So तेन्नाय बी आमी अनाउंस केल्लें की असले कावन्सिलर सपोज आसात जाणे हो नोबल सर्वीस केल्लो आसा लोकांक रांदून वाडपाचो, जाल्यार तांकां फेलिसिटेट करचें म्हण मातशें आयडेंटिफाय करचें म्हण. म्हळ्यार इतले लेवलाचेर पासून ते वचपाक रावना की खंयच्यान पयशे काडपाक मेळटा काय म्हणटो. आनी व्हडलें हें म्हणल्यार 15 लाख सुमार म्युनिसिपालिटीचे 15 लाख मोडल्यार टुरा वचपाक. कितलेशे टोटल 11 टूर सुमार गेल्ले आमचे कावन्सिलर फाटले, आनी इवन प्रॉपर रिपोर्ट दिवना, प्रॉपर बिल सबमीट करूना, तरी पसून तांकां नो ड्यू सर्टिफिकेट इश्यू केल्ले आहा. आमी तो इश्यू ऑलरेडी घेतिल्लो आसा, कित्याक म्युनिसिपालिटीचे थोडेशे ऑफिसरूय बी आहा हातूंत की सारकी सर्टिफाय करनासतना बिल्स सारकी इन ऑर्डर आसा काय ना ते करनासतनाय बी तांकां नो ड्यूज दिल्ले आहा. आनी ते एक्चुअली ते आजच्या दिसा पासून ते ड्यूज आहा म्युनिसिपालिटी असले 15 लाख. आनी एक सगळ्याक परस शॉकिंग म्हणल्यार एक चेअरपर्सन फाटली आउटगोईंग चेअरपर्सन क्रॉफर्ड मार्केटान टुरा गेल्ली आसा. क्रॉफर्ड मार्केटान बील केला. क्रॉफर्ड मार्केटान कसलो टूर तो आमकां कांय समजना. क्रॉफर्ड मार्केट ऑफिशियल विजीट म्हूण गेला, आनीक बिल्स घेता आसतना 3 फ्लायटां बील दिल्या. नॉर्मली 2 फ्लायट आसता, एक वचपाची आनी एक येवपाची, पण म्युनिसिपालिटी ताका 3 फ्लायटां बील फारीक केला. एक पोस्टपोन केल्ली आहा, ती फ्लायटाची पासून ताका बील फारीक केल्या. म्हळ्यार पळयात हे भाशेन आमचो मिसयूज जाल्लो आसा. त्या खातीर आमी ऑल्टरनेटीव मडगांव दिवपा सोदतात, मडगांवकारांक दिवपा सोदतात की असले लोकांक मातशें जाता ते भाशेन पयस दवरा, कित्याक हे परतून येयले जाल्यार तुमचे आनीकूय तितलो बर्डन येतलो फायनान्शियली, टॅक्सा वाटेन जावं जाल्यार दुसरी फिजा वाटेन जावं. सो आमकां पयस दवरता तितले मडगांवकार सुखान आसतले. आनी आमी एक आश्वासन दिवपाक सोदता लोकांक की जे इश्यूज आहा ते मडगांवां जे कंटिन्युअसली आसात, आमचे पॅनलांतल्यान आमचे जे कावन्सिलरांतल्यान तांकां बरें मार्गदर्शन दिवन आमी हें सॉल्व करपाक एक हें सोडपाना, चान्स सोडपाना.
कैंडिडेट कॉन्फिडेंस
How many candidates are you?
आमचे टोटल 11 कॅन्डिडेट्स आसा. 4 फातोर्डा, 4 मारगांव एरिया आनी 3 कुट्टोरी एरिया. टोटल 11 अंडर द पॅनल. Will circulate.
Now with 11 candidates, you will not be in a position to form the council.
No, it is not that. It is not necessary that even if we have 25 councillors, that that particular panel will form the council. It's not necessary like that. So finally, what happens is that we know that we have got candidates who are capable of becoming even the chairperson, because that sort of candidates we have selected. And आम्ही होय हें घेतिल्लो आसा की त्या वॉर्डांतले कॅन्डिडेट घातिल्लो आसा. आमी इम्पोर्ट करून आमचो हितूंतल्यान आमी त्या वॉर्डांतले कॅन्डिडेट चूज करून जेंकां एड्युकेशन बॅकग्रावंड आसा, बरें हें आसा, तांकां आमी सिलेक्ट केल्ले आसा.
Who's this Glenn? Which ward?
12.
That was supposed to be a common candidate. Now he's.
Yeah.
Okay, now you have formed a panel.
Yeah.
Now in another ward, I think it is 16. Shadow Council also has a candidate, and
No,
We don't have a candidate in 16.
16 because it was reserved for SC. Earlier it was there.
We'll keep it the
okay,
names
Rupa
and-
is there.
See, basically, we have come together for a common purpose. See, we have seen now Savio as an
That's okay. That's the point I'm asking. In one ward, both Shadow Council also has a candidate, and Citizens' Choice Panel also has a candidate. What is her ward? That lady who came late. She's
20.
I don't know whether it is 20, but in one ward, both have got a candidate.
No, we don't have.
Sure.
That is, earlier we had in one meeting, when was the elections are.
Oh.
That
So
was
now the basic thing is why we have come together, because we have seen now Savio has told you all about the misdeeds of the previous council. We have worked with the council. I have worked with the council. I was the public advocate there. But what we have seen are misdeeds. Plus lots of things these councillors have not done. None of the councillors spoke on garbage. Have you ever heard of a council talking on garbage? None of them spoke on Saucedo. Not a single candidate, not a single councillor spoke on Saucedo. So these type of things, the candidates floated by political parties, their leaders, are mere puppets. Decisions are taken by just two people, not a third person from Putturi has joined them. Councillors do not take decisions in our interest. Last 5 years we have seen a complete mess. We need the candidates of citizens. This is what we are working for. There is no opposition there. In the council there is no opposition. You all have seen, you all were there and witness always. The main idea is to have a combined thing to counter things. You asked us, the question is that we can't form the council. True. We also can form. We will put up a candidate for the CP post, for the Whitechapel post. Let them support us. If our candidate is good and if they are honest enough, let them support us.
There is one more thing about the panel, about forming a panel. So it is not the case like how it is in assembly, where you are part of a political party, then you are in assembly, you are on that ticket, and then you will roll with somebody else, and then you will get defected. So in a municipality, ticket as such does not matter whatsoever, because there is no party lines, there is not even party symbol. So this party panel which is there, we know for a fact nobody is going to get any kind of majority. So any party or any panel that is getting elected is going to have to roll with another panel. But that panel is not going to get defected. They are not going to suffer defection. So when we know this, when we know that it is not on party lines and it is based on every candidate, then is it not our duty to check the candidate and then vote? So when it comes to a panel, there is no such thing as majority panel and minority panel. One person doesn't mean that if I have an agenda coming from my ward number 3, they will not vote in my favor, so they will not vote in favor of my people. It is not the case. So it is necessary that the people have to get a representative and not that the political party has to get a representative.
So your panel will align with whom?
Nobody. We are already aligned. No further alliance with anyone. We will float or put up our own candidate or own representative for the chairperson and the vice chairperson. That is for sure.
In the past, we have seen that most of these ex-councillors have been working for the party, and the party bosses have been managing all these candidates and councillors. We won't be doing that. Our councillors and candidates will be working for the people and what is required for the people.
Your name?
My name is Ram Ashkar.
We have a full, complete, detailed manifesto which we will be working on. In 2015, I think Savio was there. Goa with Love had given us citizen charter of demands to all the councillors, and I was pursuing it. As the council was inaugurated, that same day we had each and they signed also. I got signature that we will work as per the thing. That charter of demands was made or contribution that was by citizens of Margam or different issues. A similar thing we have come out with on the manifesto. We have a detailed manifesto. So that we also bring up this way. We will work as per the manifesto. We will not work, ask not to work for a political party or a leader. They want to control the municipality. We have no thing like that. We want to help the people.
Drop your representative.
Citizen for Sasha.
Citizen for Sasha.
Your manifesto is there now for us?
Yes.
We will be giving you a
I will be giving you a copy.
Your citizens for Sasra, have you spelled that Sasra correctly on the banner?
We check. We are open for correction. Correct. It's correct.
It's double D-O.
Double D-O. Sounds dog. You?
Give the manifesto, please.
Yeah. Give me some copies.
One more thing we have to say, that prior to the election, all the panels, they only see as ruling opposition, but after they are elected, nothing of that sort comes. They are all rolling, which we have seen during the last 5 years.
It has been always.
Yeah, they are only trying, during elections only try to misguide the people. See, vote for this one, other that one will come. All those type of things they come up with. They put fear in the mind like that. But they are politics.
No, we will not offer politics. We will offer proper governance. We will not offer politics.